The Indian Air Force conducted a mega air show in Chennai, and the motive was that 15 lakh people could come and watch it, thereby creating a Limca Book of Records. The show was amazing. The planes that flew over there in those skies were amazing. But what happened is that the issue turned tragical as 15 lakh people gathered in this particular spot, but there was no way they could actually leave the area. In fact, if you see straight over there, those cordons that you see, those were the places where the people were allowed to gather. So on one side it was there. Similarly, next to the tent on the right side, people were allowed to gather. But what you see, those white tents, that is an entire area that was cordoned off for the VIPs alone. So only the VIPs were over there. Then what happened is that as the show ended, almost 15 lakh people tried walking through these narrow roads to the main road, and this is the Marina Road, which is also called as the Kamarajar Road. Unfortunately, they did not have anything to drink, nowhere to sit, and the scorching heat completely dehydrated them, exhausted. Many of them had exhaustion and to sit on the road, and for almost 3 hours there was traffic at this spot. So this led to a major crisis, and now we've been told that 5 people have died. Karthikeyan, one of the person who died yesterday during the air show, apparently his body was in the mortuary, and finally after post-mortem is being handed over to the family. An extremely unfortunate situation. His wife Sivaranjani, while speaking to us earlier, said just left just to go get their bike, and that is the point he had collapsed. Sivaranjani has also said that for nearly 1.5 an hour there was no idea where he was. Then she got a call where they said that he had collapsed and he was taken to the hospital, and there at the hospital it was informed that he had passed away. Sivaranjani also asked several questions that how come there was no authorities who couldn't find that he was lying there for nearly 1.5 hours, and how come there was no ambulance or no service to help. What exactly happened? In fact, there is kind of confusion here itself where they are saying that the cause of death was not given, but the family has spoken, and here the actual letter is also there where they are showing what happened. That has been also given. Karthikeyan's body has been handed over to the family, and the family claims that this is something extremely unacceptable. That's what Sivaranjani earlier said. There should have been availability of water, there should have been availability of logistics, because this was an event that was called in by the Air Force and Tamil Nadu government, and it cannot be simply negated saying that no, this kind of the person died of heat exhaustion. That is, family is not ready to accept that at any point, because 15 lakh people had gathered over there, and for nearly 3 hours nobody could not move on to any side. It was completely congested. Women, children, elderly people, everybody were stuck at this in that area without water, under the scorching sun, and now afterwards the body has been handed over to the family.
I didn't sign.
But how did they release the body without you signing it?
Don't know.
You don't know who signed it also?
I think my cousins.
Did you ask?
Anyone asked sign to me?
Nobody asked you.
Nobody asked. After lifting the body, only I know somebody signed.
After they came out of the mortuary?
Yes.
Until that you did not know?
No.
Why would they do so?
I don't know what's happening here. I don't know. Something. I think something they hide. I don't know.
Such as?
Because they didn't tell me anything specific.
Extremely unfortunate situation that occurred yesterday, and questions are being raised about what kind of management was done, because even though the state government says that 7,500 policemen were deployed, none were to be seen on the roads at that point. The traffic came to a standstill, and questions are being raised whether the protection is only for the VIPs. What about the common people? These are the questions that are being put forward by the opposition parties in Tamil Nadu. With Devraj, Pramod Madhav for India Today.